Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Zenith seed pack and grow garden game of Roblox new Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Safari update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and they have added this new seed pack called Zenith seed pack. And just like the previous update guys, if you want to get the Zenith seed pack, you need to complete the pass challenge or pass quest. Okay, I just got the Zenith seed pack from here after I reached level 4. Okay, and you can also go to the store and you can buy the Zenith seed pack from here, but you will need the pass points to get it. Okay, and I have already gotten the Zenith seed pack, so I'm going to open the seed pack with you guys, and let's see what we will get from the Zenith seed pack. But wait, I'm going to go to the shop. Okay, and these are the oops, sorry, there is no something from the Zenith seed pack. This is just from the egg. So let's try to open up the Zenith seed pack and let's see. Okay, these are the seeds. Oh, I got banana orchid. Okay, not bad. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.